Today I will present my artwork based on Expressionism. Expressionism is an art style that focuses on emotions and feeling instead of realistic appearance. It often uses bold colors, strong brushstrokes, and distorted shapes. In my artwork, I created a tree using bright colors and expressive lights to show strong emotions. I also distort the shapes slightly to make the image more dynamic dynamic and dramatic. Overall, this artwork shows how emotions can be expressed through art instead of focusing on realism. Thank you.